So we've all heard of TED Talks, and I'm sure we've all watched many of them that are great. They're inspiring. I know our administration uses them a lot, like for professional development days, we'll watch one. But I never considered using them in my classroom until today. So this is pretty neat. There are tons of TED Talks or TEDEd videos that are made just to spark the curiosity of our students. And these are video-based lessons that are organized by subject, and there's so many different options. It's really neat. And countless ways that you could use this, but my intended audience would probably be my students primarily, but I could also see myself using this for um, professional development reasons as well. So if I was going to use this in my classroom, I would just simply go over here to Discover, and just for time's sake, let's go to Lessons, and there's just about every subject you could imagine. There's videos for just about anything. Of course, I teach literature and language, but let's say that I wanted to do math. Maybe I'm in a geometry unit. I could select that. I can also filter by grade level or student level. So maybe I'm middle school, maybe I'm lower secondary, high school, upper secondary. Just for fun, let's select that. There are lots of different options and different videos that I could use to try to inspire my students. And then I can also, let's see, go to, oh, I'm already there, sorry. Go to literature and language, writing, and there's text structure. There was a fun one. Let's see, I believe I had to filter it. That, and I teach middle school, was really good. It was like, does grammar matter? And I just started watching this video, and it was just really great. And I intend to show this to my students this week. And I could use this in a variety of different ways. You can also create a lesson of your own and just upload it from YouTube or other URL links. And you can also learn how educators in your community are giving TED Talks. Students can create their own at home or in school. And right now, TedEd is offering online support for your remote learners as well. So completely free resource that would benefit everyone.